Hello, my name is Ivy, and welcome to another episode of Shibi Travels. For today's episode, I'm gonna do a hotel review of the Four Seasons right here in downtown Houston. But first of all, it's really cold. It's the end of January, and it's really cold here in Houston. But the Four Seasons is right behind me, and I checked in yesterday for a weekend getaway. And I'm gonna give you a hotel review about the rooms and their services and everything. But first, I need to do errands. Okay, so I need to find an ATM because when you have to tip the valet, the bell service, the concierge, and all that. So I'll be right back. So again, the Four Seasons is located in downtown Houston, which is kind of like a financial district here in Metro Houston. This is the building, and I must say it has a brutalist architectural design. As you can see, they covered their outdoor flowers and garden because of the weather. These are the list of restaurants inside the hotel. And this is their entrance driveway. You can park your car and wait for the valet to park it. They have their own parking garage. I don't know where it is because I valeted my car. So I'm looking for the ATM. It's a busy, well, not so busy Saturday afternoon, but I have to cross the street. 4, 3, 2, oh, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay, I made it in one piece. So it's a Saturday late afternoon, and I wanted you guys to see another side of the building. It reminds me of the 1980s building. There's a lot of those in Manila. I think they call it the brutalist architecture, which is very unique. So here's another photo of me in front of the Four Seasons Hotel in downtown Houston. So I decided to get dinner here in Morton's Steakhouse. Here we go. I don't know if you can see it. Ta-da! Morton's Steakhouse. Okay. Do I need reservations?
Yeah, right there.
Okay. Just for me. Do I need a reservation?
Did you
No, I literally was just walking around.
decide to come in here and eat?
Yes.
We are pretty packed in our dining room, but we do have full service in our bar area right now. And we also do have a promo going on for the booth collaboration that we have right now. It's $29 for sliders and fries. It would be something like this. And it does come with a free glass of champagne.
Oh, I was thinking of steak.
Yeah, well, we are full service at our bar area, including the tables on the side as well.
Okay, yeah, I'll just go there.
It's open seating, wherever you would like.
So I just had a nice steak dinner, and I'm heading back to the hotel because it's freezing. It's really cold. I'm having nasal drip, so I'll get back to you in a second, okay? So the building of the Four Seasons reminds me of the PICC Center in Manila. So we're heading into the hotel lobby. This is their driveway. I was told that it gets busy on weekend nights, especially Friday and Saturday nights. So there's a lot of people checking in. And there's a bar and a Top Golf inside the lobby, which makes it busy. This doorman, he likes me. He always smiles when he sees me with my camera. So this is the hotel lobby. It's quite small compared to the Marriott Marquis. I was there last year, and it's the next building, the building behind Four Seasons. This is their business center. It's in a corner, in a quiet corner. They have one desktop and one printer. This is a perfumery located inside the hotel. I was told that it's a designer perfumery store from France and Germany. And it's been around for some time. And one of their famous customer is Jackie Kennedy and JFK. So let's check it out together. She's entertaining another customer, so I'm just waiting in line. She's very patient with me, and I really appreciate that. Hi, so it's my turn, and I love perfumes.
Uh-huh.
I already have a couple of Parfum de Marley.
Okay.
So
Let me show
I'm,
you
I'm not
something.
familiar with this brand. Is it French or Austrian?
French and Germany perfumer.
Okay.
Since 1904. Let me show you.
Yeah.
Our very first one, because it's very sophisticated, and if you love perfume, 79 is really good.
Yeah.
It's with gardenia, jasmine, vanilla, musk, mimosa, you know.
So fresh.
It's more fresh, floral, clean.
Ooh,
It's really good.
I like it.
79. It's our very first fragrance.
Can I get a video? Is this your most popular
It's
female?
one of our most popular perfume. For example, we have.
Do you have a vanilla? Because I have a hard time finding a vanilla fragrance that, fits me.
This one. You are going to love this fragrance. Has patchouli and vanilla, amber, musk, grapefruit, and sandalwood.
Wow. It's very winter.
It's really good.
Yeah.
It's really, really good.
I like how the vanilla it blends well with the grapefruit and the moss. Because sometimes vanilla can be so overpowering. There's a very popular vanilla. It's white bottle.
Okay.
But anyway, I got it and I was like, it's almost very syrupy. So
Oh, okay.
that's good.
This one is really good. Let me show you number 10. That is vanilla,
Also vanilla.
coffee, tobacco.
Ooh.
Really
Is that more female or male or unisex?
I think it's more unisex.
Unisex,
But
yeah.
I am wearing this fragrance today.
Oh, okay.
I'm wearing-
I'm wearing my Valaya, so
It's
what's
like-
the I can smell the coffee, but it's almost like cognac. What
But it doesn't have cognac, but this
Vanilla?
one have almond, cinnamon,
yeah.
lemon, sandalwood, patchouli, coffee, and vanilla.
yeah. It's a little bit heavy for me. The first vanilla you showed me was more like I like it.
Okay, yes, it's lovely patchouli.
Oh.
It's very popular. Lovely patchouli was bought by Jackie Kennedy.
Oh, really? So this has been around for some time? Krigler?
Krigler is French and Germany perfumery.
Oh, okay.
Since 1904, but the very first fragrance, Pleasure Gardenia, was created before the foundation of our company in 1879.
Oh, okay.
Because with this perfume, the owner proposed his wife.
Oh. Oh, nice. Well, I mean, let's see. How big is the soap?
The soap is
How are the soaps though? Like, is that size?
Uh-huh. Yes. This one is lovely passion. Here is less concentrated. It's 5% of concentration. In the
Of the
perfume,
perfume.
it's 25% of
Oh,
concentration.
okay.
It's the same as some, but less concentrated.
Okay.
79 is this one.
Yeah, you're right. It is more concentrated with the perfume.
Exactly.
Okay. Well, thank you so much.
Pleasure.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Are you going to be here tomorrow?
Yes.
Okay. What time do you open?
From 9 a.m.
Okay.
Today till 11.
Till 11. And then what time do you close tomorrow?
Till 10.
10. Okay.
p.m.
Thank you.
See you. Pleasure.
Thank you. So this is the front desk / concierge. And I just want to say they have excellent service, and they're so personable. Their service is actually on par with the customer service from the Ritz. And I'll do a hotel review of the Ritz soon. This is the Toro Toro restaurant, which is located at the second floor. They serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner. They have this wonderful, well lighted bar. And as you can see, the bar top is marble gray slash slate gray. And you will see that all throughout the hotel. I believe their staircase is also made of the same slash similar marble top. They have a wide selection of, wines and alcohols. So the girl here, the front desk girl, allowed me to take videos, and she said there's more seating in this area, but there were people eating, so I wanted to give them their privacy. So let's look around some more. Let's go back to the lobby. This is again the lobby area, and they do serve free coffee and hot cocoa. They serve the hot cocoa on Friday nights. They did not serve it again on Saturday nights. And I know this because I was looking for it. This is their furniture. It's very modern and minimalist. Lots of different color schemes. Like I said, see the marble, the marble that they used for the grand staircase. Lots of abstract pieces, right? Which ties together their theme of modern minimalist design. So I was told that there are more rooms here. This is the Angels Share room, and this is where they do bourbon tasting every weekends. And if you're interested, and if you like bourbon, you can go to opentable.com and book a seating. Again, it's called Angels Share Room. This is another modern art piece. And okay, this is Top Golf Indoor Suite. I've been to outdoor Top Golf. I haven't tried indoor Top Golf. I don't know if there's much difference. It can be divided into two rooms, but if you have a large group, they can merge it into one big room. It's a great place to spend, your free time. They're open during daytime and in the evenings. And, if you're with adults, they can serve alcohol while you're doing, Top Golf. I don't know if alcohol will help with your swing. Maybe, maybe not. So let's check out their bar area. Again, you can see the color scheme is the same. Lots of leather, marble, gray marble, dark green leather. The lighting is very soft. You do not see any harsh, fluorescent white lighting, which really adds to the atmosphere. When I was walking around this bar, the feeling that I get is comfy library gentleman's bar. So it's art deco, modern minimalist, which is the trendy nowadays. I was told that they serve coffee here, but I don't see anybody. So we're just gonna keep walking. So this is their grand staircase. Again, dark wood, gray marble, and then blue carpet. Okay. I'm gonna take you to the second floor where the convention rooms are. I saw a convention about real estate properties in Dubai. I did not enter the room. I was just peeking inside. And this staircase leads to the third floor, which has convention rooms as well. So now I'm going to take you to my room. So they have this key card, and let's enter my room. This is their closet. So when you enter the room, you see the closet. It's huge. I have my luggage. I don't know if this is a good way to begin my video. So we're gonna have to do a second take two, okay? Give me a second. Okay, take two. This is my key card. We're gonna enter my room. This is a much better way to introduce you to my hotel room. So this is the entrance to the room. They have a mini bar, and that's my Stanley Cup. Okay. Those are two supposedly free glass water bottles. I don't want to pay. I don't want to risk paying, so I did not drink it. So the hotel concierge gave me a king size bed, and they have free chocolate. I can assure you, I ate everything. Yeah, so they do have personalized themes for their TV. I brought my laptop just in case I want to do some work. Again, the feel of the hotel room is kind of like a gentleman's library. I do like the color scheme. So, like I said, it's lots of gray, lots of honey brown leather. Let's check out their bathroom. The bathroom is very modern. They have the farmhouse door, a lot of brass, furniture and ornaments. They have this very fancy modern artwork. Hello guys, do you see me? I'm gonna check out their soap, and it's by Diptyque. I don't know if I said it correctly, but it's a designer perfumery and lotion. So, yeah, this is their shower. They don't have bathtubs anymore. Again, lots of gray, and there's that Diptyque lotion, body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. Now, this is the part where I'm not so flattered. I'm not so thrilled. There's no art piece here. It's just ta-da, toilet. They should have put some sort of art piece, but maybe it's a budget, issue. Again, there's the king size bed. So I want to say their service, the housekeeping, I love it. It's very efficient. So we're done with the hotel room tour. I want you to check out the hallway. They have this nice lighting design. It's a little bit dark for me, but I guess that's part of their theme. I guess again, their theme is 1920s Art Deco. The mirrors are very interesting. I think it's interesting and unique. The lighting here is very dark. I don't know. Again, it's part of their design. But let's go downstairs. I kind of want to explore downtown Houston. Well, let's see. Let's see what we find. This is what happens when you do solo traveling on a weekend for a mini weekend getaway. This is their elevator, so you need a key card to go upstairs, but you don't need a key card to go downstairs. And this is me, guys. Ta-da! Ta-da! I have the elevator to myself, and we're almost there. 3, 2, 1. Bingo! Doors open. Okay, and this is the elevator lobby. They do have a divider so that not everyone can just, use the elevator, even though they can't. Security here is very good. I wanted to show you this bookshelf. It's really interesting. I love bookshelves, so that's a nice bookshelf. This is a very interesting art piece. It's eye-catching, sure. It's a little bit too modern, too abstract for me. So like I said, we're gonna go outside, and I'm gonna figure out what I want to do. Okay, and this is what happens when I do solo traveling. I just go outside and see what I want to do and walk around the street. As always, safety is important for solo female travelers. Always keep your head on a swivel, okay? Just because you feel safe, don't feel safe. Always keep your head on a swivel. Keep an eye on your belongings. It's really cold. So, like I said, they covered all their flowers because of the weather. So I think that's it for today's episode. Thank you for watching. If you've stayed here before, or if you have any questions, concerns, or violent reactions, let's hear it. Post a comment down below. Other than that, thank you for watching, and have a nice day.